call upon the person here present to witness that I, Tenjiro, take you, Samdukdoma, to be my lawful wedded wife.
By the authority vested in me, it gives me the great pleasure to now pronounce you husband and wife.
Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain? Even as we're having a fight.
Time really flies, especially when you are with someone as genuine, as caring, as gentle. We went to school together. From the very beginning, he's been the humble, honest, approachable person we all know today. And today, sitting next to Sam, I see that same patience, love, and that will certainly make you an amazing husband. Sam, since you came into VIDOES life, I have seen him grow even more as a person. Your love for each other is truly inspiring. I'm so happy you found each other.
I remember when first seeing Sam and Tenzin fall in love, it was obvious that Tenzin was a very dependable guy. Someone who Sam is able to depend on, and Sam and Tenzin both complement each other.
Congratulations, and may your journey together be filled with your endless blessings and happiness.
Cheers to the bride and groom.
I'm